Hello everyone, my name is Junaid. I am making this video for demo presentation of our problem solution of S.I.H. The problem we actually solving problem statement is S.I.H 25027, and the problem statement title is develop a blockchain based system for botanical traceability of Ayurvedic herbs including geotagging from the point of collection, farmer and wild collectors to the find Ayurvedic formulation levels. So let me take you to the screen. So this is for the farmer app farmer, and it is actually built for the rural farmers which support low bandwidth, means you can also test it in offline mode also. I will show you the demo. In the problem statement, it was asked to build a mobile app or which supports in mobile, but in my laptop screen, it is not actually looking like the mobile. But if you actually use this app for after deployment in your mobile, the all the button and all the means the word actually get fitted in the mobile view. So let me take you in the home page. I will use here the demo credential. Now sign in. Yeah, I'm right now actually in online. Let me go back first offline. So this is the for farmer, they can submit the herbs details by this app and it will go to our main app. So yeah, it is showing we are offline. So let's try a demo. Suppose batch ID I'm giving it, collector ID is giving this, and species name is this. It is actually fetching my location also, latitude, longitude, accuracy also, the collection time also it is showing me. Let's support grade is premium, moisture content 30%, collection weight is 5 kg, or you can also add some notes. Let's upload the photo of the collection. Yeah, so submit. Yeah, it is submitted, but actually locally. So it is showing me that after the connection, it will submitted the collection. Now let's go back to the online mode. So after online, when the farmer submit the button sync all pending, it will actually got submitted to our main app, or the farmer can submit after coming back to the online. In the offline mode it also supports, but it actually saves on offline to the data which the farmer actually collecting, or after collecting it is the farmer giving into our system. It actually saves in local mode in offline, but when the farmer actually comes to online, it takes the data and submit it. So this is for the farmer. Yeah, farmer can view also what he had submitted. This is actually I submitted few minutes back, so this is showing two, but actually the farmer submitted here one. Now going back to the main app, yeah, this is the main app actually we have built. Actually website also. This there are total four users. First, the farmer which he has submitted will come to the processor. After we will hear also the demo credential. After submitting, yeah, the processor dashboard, the submission came. This actually two submission submitted by me also sometimes ago. So this is actually displaying here. But right now the farmer actually saved or submitted this. So the processor job is to processing or the to add of all processing details. So now the processor will add the processing details like this. Add step, selecting the processing steps like selecting drying process. He or she can also select any step from here. Final packaging, quality assurance. Also, many processing is available here. Suppose temperature 20 degree, duration 2 hours, and 7 blockchain. Yeah, after submitting, transaction has block number, gas list. Also, it will show network hyperledger. Yeah, let me show you the contact deployment. Not this. Yeah. Yeah, this is the contact deployment, successfully deployment contact. It will actually showing you. Actually, I am showing you the localhost, so this why it is showing right now. Then after processing, the farmer can see the data. Yeah, just what he submitted. It also now right now visible here. Temperature, duration, status also, and this is the some previous submission the processor made. It is actually some dummy data. It is not actually, but it is the actually the real time data. Or the processor also can submit the CSV, or also can sorry download the CSV file. You can check the CSV data also what is submitted in the CSV form like that. But It is also a submission made by me. Let's try another processing submission data. Batch not found, it is showing. Okay, let's try another one. This was actually showing batch not found. Okay, for this one at processing step, let's suppose storage preservation, then at any temperature duration, then sub saved. Yeah, failed to save in blockchain because collected outside the approval harvesting zone. Means the submission made by farmer was not actually restricted area. So that's why the smart contracts is restricted, and the submission of the farmer or also as well as usual. Also, it is restricted from for the processor to submit or processing the data because the collection was collected by the restricted area. Now going to the lab tester, it is also actually some login demo credential I have actually used. So this is the processing data came to the dashboard of the tester. What processor submitted temperature, duration, status also. Now the tester will test all data like this. Yeah, you can choose any moisturizer content, pesticide screening, DNA barcode. Suppose you choose pesticide screening 2 ppm. Suppose pass or pass or fail it. He can choose technician. And he can also upload some image from here also. Test and verify box and yeah, it is showing all the details. Batch ID, transaction has, gas use, network contact. It is all the things also. Continue. After the submitted, he can see the result. Yeah. Also, he can submit the CSV file from here for the collection. Now it will move to the admin page. Means one by one, processor, then lab tester. This is the workflow. Now it will go to the admin page. Here I will also use the demo credential. Okay, close. This is the dashboard of the admin means total collection verified batch, but it is actually not made with real data. For demo credential, I have used this collection. What the processor submitted will come to the admin dashboard. They mean all the details of the batch. The first batch was submitted by the farmer, then processing step was added by the processor, then lab tester, then it will come to the admin. He can see the all the processing history here and the lab testing history also here he can see. Also, he can, if he wants, he can also download the data, means processing data in PDF on CSV file, lab test data on PDF on CSV file, he can also download. Yeah, you can just see the PDF also and the CSV file also from here. So after collection of or submitted the data, the admin job is to actually verify the all the data is accurate or actually right. Although it is actually blockchain, it cannot be tampered. But after this, for the submission, the admin can also check all the details. The lab test result, batch editors, and drying process also to he can see. Then after just write on some checking points, he can verify everything. Yeah, the data is actually true. Yeah, it is just saved on blockchain finally. Means already it was also saved in blockchain. It cannot be tampered. Then admin can generate environmental impact report from the test and the processing. It will save as a PDF format. You can see the time period, total quantity harvested, quota, sustainability indicator, carbon footprint, batch rejection rate, soil health index, ecosystem mention, and many more things you can see. Also, after submitting or verifying, he can generate a ISO compliance certificate. ISO compliance certificate, yeah, he can see from here. ISO compliance certificate for the uh, batch 2024001, what I actually submitted previously. So this is the certificate automatically generated for the batch. So this is the setting page actually not actually useful right now. So this is the admin job, verify and also generate the report, also just see the report. So after logging out, it is the now it will the data is actually available for customer. Also, I will use here some demo credential. The customer actually can see the total purchase, total order, average order, loyalty points. This is also the made with some demo data. So the main coming to the main point for the customer, just I am for the dashboard I actually made it with some visualization, good visualization. It was the intention for making it. Now for few product customer, if suppose any customer want to buy something, so the first made was aloe vera. So if the customer want to buy some aloe vera, so he will like try something like that, and the unique QR code for the item will be generated. So after scanning the QR code, the customer can see the all details, means the verification, eyes certified, all the lab data, testing data, all the processing data the customer can see. So after scanning the QR from its from customer own mobile phone, he can see. Right now, I have right now no smartphone here, so I will just take a screenshot, right, like this, and after QR reader, yeah, yeah, like that. After the QR reader, the QR is getting readed. I've heard product details, batch information, batch ID, harv, location, quantity, quality, drying process. Also, everything is available. Temperature, duration, processing, lab testing, radar, everything, verification, blockchain transaction as finally I certified. So everything is actually visible here. So for customer, it is actually uh, gives some trust and build some uh, secure that is processor the item was actually not processed or not actually not tempered by anyone. It is actually secured by the blockchain. So this is the workflow, like from the farmer who submit the data, then it will go to the processor who submit the processing details, then it will go to the lab tester who will submit the lab testing details. Also, if the farmer submit any item from not so from some restriction zone, then it will also got neglected by the smart contract I have actually built. And after the lab tested, it will come to the admin. Admin can also verify all the details, although it was made by the blockchain previously. Admin can also download the report also, means the I certified report, environmental impact, everything report. Admin can also generate. Then it will come to the customer dashboard. Customer can just search the product. Also, after searching the product, he can just scan the QR and all the details will be visible on his or on her phone. This is how our app actually works. So thank you. Thank you. This is what I have made.